So let us unbox my toddler winter stash. Yes, if you've been in this channel, you will see where I said we should buy clothes ahead of the season for shikini money. Match for a little money, for small shikini money. So yes, come with me, let us unbox this. And most of them were like, the highest here should be like £5, £5 on sale. So what are you waiting for? Come with me, let's unbox, let's see this. So these were the stores I bought this last summer. They were doing like, you know, clearance sales for the winter sales and matchy. And you know, I had to pick them up, so most of them were on discount. So this summer now, this present summer, I am going to start shopping for like 3 to 4 years for her, you understand, ahead of next year's summer. You get, so whenever they're doing their clearance sales for this year, I'm going to start picking 1 or 2 things ahead of next year's summer, so I'm getting discounts for it. So look at this number, this joggers. And if you know winter, you know that you need joggers, like your baby needs joggers. Beautiful jeans, skinny jeans. I wish this is my wardrobe right now, like very cute, very demure. Then this pink number, yeah, you see the price, £1.50. Are you seeing it? £1.50. Most of them were like £10, £11, £12. Even though you know, but that is £1.50. Now see this cute number, I love it. Same thing. And these ones are just lounge leggings, which is like £1.80. So for home thingy. And this is my special one. Get this for your kids. Get this for your kids. Look at this thermal leggings. You see this thermal leggings? It's going to save your life during winter. Don't say I have not told you anything. Like, it has this fleece lining inside and it keeps them super warm. I have this for adults, and maybe you want me to do for the adult one, I can do it. And it's so comfy, it's so warm. Oh god, I can't even imagine that. This is another set of loungewear. Don't say I'm lying to you. See, it's £2. Are you seeing it? £2. It's no joke. You're not going to get that. This is a set of 2, a pack of 2 for just £2. You see? And then this purple one, this purple one, same thing, £2. These joggers, and they're so thick, you're not going to get them for this price now. Nowhere. The same, very cute. You see, it has this fleece lining inside and it's so warm. She had this when she was a few months, so I just had to like get a bigger size for her. And this should be her present size now, so we'll get that out. And there's this jumper gown, so cute, so warm, 2 to 3 years. I've tried it on her and it's still a bit free, so maybe by December, January it's going to be her perfect size. So yeah. And the next one is this trousers, and I love it. I love the material, I love the design. It's just so different, you know, and it's just £3. Imagine. This cute pink one again. Oh, so nice with the cartoon character. Like, look at the color, and then it still has that fleece lining that keeps them really warm. Like, the quality is good, so don't say I don't do anything. Like, at this point the pants are so many. See this breaking pants. It still has this fleece lining to keep you warm, and the rest, like, it's like a leggings. See, £1. It's just for £1. Shikini money. So what are you sleeping on? Try this method. Then I saw this jumper, it's just for £4. Very cute white jumper, very demure, just something to put on during winter, you know. Yeah. Outings, she's ready. We are ready. Then this other cute white jumper. I had to start looking for other colors because at this point she has more white, but it's so fine, it's so soft. The material is so soft. I just wish you could feel it. But they're kind of different, you know. They're white, but they have different textures, and you know, and the rest. And so yeah, it's kind of good. We go again with this red pants. Yes, fire for fire. This was just for £2, but it came, yeah, I don't know, okay, this one is just a single one, just for £2, and it feels warm as well. Just look at that. From the material, you will know it's going to be warm. And this JC, for some reason, yeah, when is she supposed to wear this? Because we have to launch this, we have to launch it. When is she going to wear this? So for the football lovers, please, when can she rock this? Now, another cute jumper. I love this one because she can wear it with the leggings, with the thermal leggings, and you know, fleece wear, and warm and cozy and fashionable. So yeah. And what else do we have here? We have this purple jacket. Yeah, I think we need more purples and other colors, brown and the rest. That's just the thing. They have enough of white and pink. Yeah, another one, white, pink girly. Well, we've rocked this one, so we're going to keep rocking it. It has come to do its job. Now, I saw this cute t-shirt. It was just for £1, but I love the material. Like, it's so warm. So I feel like you can still wear it during winter and just wear a jacket on top of it, like when it's not so cold. Yeah, just something to run errands. And this cute jacket, I love it. Yeah, this pink number. Another one. And this sweatshirt, very nice, very cute, you know. Just packing them. At this point, almost clothes is now everywhere. I didn't know it was going to be this much. I just kept on buying whenever I saw something affordable and cheap, and I didn't know we're going to have this amount. Let's see, is it? Nice one, and it still has that fleece lining inside, which is very necessary, so it's going to keep you warm. I don't know, I just have a feeling that kids' clothes, like they put so much thought into it, like it's more quality than adult clothing. Then this is just normal lounge leggings. Another hot pink girly, another hot pink moment, yes. So our joggers is here. Now this is a two-piece. Actually, I didn't buy this one. I got it from my sister. So this is a two-piece leggings and hoodie. Yeah. So we are ready. And this onesie, I love it because you can wear it with a dungaree and you know, something like this. Now let's pair it with a dungaree or something like this and a leggings and a thermal leggings, and outfit is done. Yeah. This cute jumper. I just wish this clothes were mine. Like, so cute. Cute jumper a lot. And this is a lounge trouser. Nothing much. Just this cute pink t-shirt. I just loved it, so we had to get it a Birkin. So yeah, her size, but we're going to wear it. Now this two-piece is my fave. For some reason I love it, the ash color, everything about it, and it's so thick. Like the material is super thick. So I really love it because you could just throw a jacket on top of it and you know that she's not feeling cold. And then I found this thermal vest in Primark. Go and rush it to that thermal leggings. Like, you need it. You need it for layering. Like, can you see the fleece? It feels so thick and warm. So I just have to get a few more of this, you know, and we're good to go. And the color, it comes in different color. I think it has a pink, but I just wanted to get this first. And the last, yeah, pink there about. This pink, this red trouser. It comes in two. Yeah, I think for £2. She has already started wearing the black one. It comes in red and black, and we're already rocking the black one. Just this red one. And we're going to start launching it. This one is from last year. It's a Christmas jumper, so I think she's still going to repeat it for this Christmas again. Yeah, cut it. Yeah, this was a gift, so I think she's still going to wear it for this year's Christmas because it's still her size. Cutie. Yeah, her jacket is the next thing we're going to bring, and we're all done. Just normal tops and t-shirts for layering, and that is it. So do you still think I need more things, or am I missing any other thing for this winter, for us to be ready for winter? Just drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you're new here, my name is IJE'S. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, so if I add any other thing to this batch, I am going to let you know. Yeah, and the prices, and if any other shops are doing sales, just whatever you want to know, do what to drop it in the comment section. And I'm still going to carry you guys along for the summer one against next year. So see you in my next one. Bye.